The remains one of the darkest memories in France. It stands as a symbol of the suffering caused during the German occupation. On 10th of June 1944, troops from the entered a small village in southwest France. In just a few hours, 643 civilians were killed. Many were burned alive in barns and inside the church. The village was then destroyed completely. Years later, a trial in Bordeaux tried to explain what happened. But the biggest questions were never fully answered. Why this village? Why such extreme cruelty? One possible explanation comes from, he claimed the massacre was an act of revenge. According to him, wanted to avenge his friend. Kämpfe had been captured by the French resistance. Reports suggested he would be executed in a place called Oradour. This information pushed Diekmann to act quickly. But there was a problem. The intelligence was wrong. Kämpfe was not in Oradour-sur-Glane. Historians like and argue something important. They believe the massacre was not true revenge. Instead, it was a brutal act of terror. At the time of the attack, Kämpfe was still alive. He was later killed by resistance fighters the same evening. This means the massacre had already begun before his death. So the idea of revenge does not fully make sense. It may have been used later as an excuse. In the end, Oradour had no real link to Kämpfe. The village was not a resistance base. The truth is harsh. This was a deliberate war crime. Today, the ruins of Oradour-sur-Glane still stand. They remind the world of what happened, and they warn how dangerous unchecked power and violence can become.